How to delete all liked videos at once with just one click. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. Step 1, click on your avatar icon towards the bottom right hand side, and from here click on the setting icon which is towards the top right hand side. From the setting menus, look for manage all history and click on that. The next page will open with the name YouTube history, in which you will see your all aspects of the history, but primarily you will see 3 tabs: history, controls, and the third tab is interaction. And actually you have to go to this third tab which is called interaction. In the interaction you will see right on the top, the first option is video likes and dislikes. You need to click on that. Here once you will scroll down, you will see the videos that you have liked in a chronological order. All your liked videos you will see here. Individually, I have already shown in one of the tutorials that you can just press on the cross, and in the pop-up menu just click delete, and the individual video will get deleted like this one. However, if you want to delete all your videos with just one click, you need to go to these 3 horizontal bars which are towards the top left hand side, and you will see a sidebar opening up, sliding from the left. In this sidebar, the third option is delete all. Click on that, and the pop-up menu will say delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos activity from all time. Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. You just need to click delete and your all likes will be deleted. Thanks for watching.